Once you have created your 3D model, you may want to present your work along with a few details on drawing sheets. In AutoCAD, those drawing sheets are called layouts, and every new AutoCAD drawing has by default two layouts that are shown as tabs next to the Model tab. In the following lessons, I will show you how to insert several views of your model into a layout. As you can see, I have already created a 3D object for this example. To insert a base view from model space into a layout, I will click on the base icon that can be found in the View panel of the Home ribbon. I should mention that a base view is the first view created in a drawing. Once I click, the options from Model Space and from Inventor appear. The first option inserts a base view from the objects that have been created in the model space, while the second option creates a base view from an Autodesk Inventor file. Since the 3D model I wish to present is in the model space of the open file, I will select from Model Space. As soon as the command is activated, a message prompts me to select the objects I wish to insert in the layout. I can select individual objects or all solids and surfaces by pressing Enter. Personally, I will select the object that is in the drawing area and press Enter. Now that I have selected the object, I need to specify in which layout the base view will be created. I can either select one of the existing layouts or create a new one. Since there is already one layout, I will press Enter in order to create the view there. Notice that I was transferred to Layout 1 automatically, and the contextual ribbon was also automatically activated. In addition, as you can see, the base view moves along with the cursor, and I need to click to place it. But before I click to place the view, I want you to take a look at the command line to see the options that we are given. The Type option specifies if the command exits after creating the base view or goes on to create projected views. The default option is Base and Projected. I will select the Base View and Projected View option. In this example, as you can see from the Drawing View Creation ribbon, the scale of the model is 1:2. Naturally, you can change the scale before and after inserting the views into the layout. By default, the base view is the front view of the model. Again, I can change that easily either from the Orientation panel of the Drawing View Creation ribbon or from the orientation option that can be found in the command line. This time I will select the top option. Now I will click within the layout to place the view. Once I click, AutoCAD displays the model placement options again. That means that I can make a change again if I want. However, to place the view without changing anything else, I will click Exit. The base view is now placed, and if I move the cursor around, the projected views appear. I will move the cursor to the left of the object and click to place the left view. I can continue placing more views of the model in the same way. Once I'm done placing views, I will press Enter. At this point, I should mention that every projected view inherits most of its settings from the base view. For example, the projected views will have the same visual style and scale as the base view. If I change the settings of the base view, the projected views follow by default. Now, if I hover the cursor over a view, basic information about the view will be displayed, such as the type of the view style, and the scale. Last but not least, in case I want to delete a projected view, I can simply select it and press Delete.